Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a stable segment and trimming away obvious bad frames so the algorithm has clean input. Once done, match your project frame rate and resolution to the source to prevent warping during processing. Make sure to duplicate the clip and work on the copy so you always have the original. This reduces iteration time and prevents quality loss. Now open your stabilizer tool and set an initial smoothing value rather than full correction. That gives you a baseline to tweak. Next, you refine parameters. Choose the motion model that matches the movement. Transform for panning, perspective for tilt, warp for rolling motion, because the wrong model causes distortion. Then ramp smoothing and strength gradually. High values remove jitter but crop more, so balance crop and autoscale. Once you've set those, enable tracking points or optical flow for complex scenes where the stabilizer loses reference. Preview short loops and compare to the original, making incremental changes until motion looks natural without wobble or elastic warping. To finish, render a short test export at full quality to check for artifacts, black borders, or overcropping. Viewing in real time exposes issues you miss in preview. Once satisfied, apply subtle sharpening and, if necessary, rolling shutter correction to fix skew from CMOS sensors. If you see warping or unnatural stretching, reduce stabilizer strength, lower smoothing, or change the motion model. Alternatively, use manual keyframe stabilization on problem sections. If edges appear, add a slight scale or feathered crop to hide them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.